Hey guys, Anthony the Rag Company, and in today's video we're talking about Colorlock's Top Life coating, one of the first breathable coatings designed for leather, synthetic leather, vinyl, and plastic. This is going to be something that's going to provide some abrasion resistance. It's going to reduce the amount of dye transfer. It's going to make cleanups and spills much easier on those surfaces that are treated with Top Life. So this is a pretty easy to use product. We highly recommend going through with Colorlock's mild cleaner and cleaning and prepping any surface that you're about to apply this to. Then you're going to go ahead and use their prep product that comes here in the box. Go through, prep and degrease everything, and then apply the Top Life coating and simply level it out. From there, you're going to want to let it sit for about 2 hours to fully cure, and at that point, it's ready to rock and roll. This coating should, in theory, last 1 to 2 years if treated properly, and if you do maintenance on it with some mild cleaner every few months. But overall, this is an amazing product that's going to be awesome on your leather, especially that fancy white leather that comes on all the new vehicles. You definitely don't want any gene transfer on those. So hopefully you guys learned something new today. Hopefully you guys love the Top Life coating for your interiors. And as always, thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.